Hey guys, welcome to the Tech2 Labs. Today we'll be looking at the HCL Mi Tablet Connect 2G version 2.0. Here you can see HCL's typical packaging with the tablet displayed in the front, and towards the side we have all your specifications, which we'll get into in a bit. So let's just see what comes in the box. Here we have the tablet itself. The rest of the accessories include your power adapter, your USB on-the-go cable, your standard micro USB cable for data transfer, a headset with built-in microphone, and a cleaning cloth which could come in handy. We also have your quick start guide, and HCL is also bundling a lot of offers with the tablet. For instance, they've tied up with Hungama to give you unlimited audio and video downloads free for a month. They've also tied up with Readware, which gives you magazines, graphic novels and comic books, and you can claim anything worth 1,500 rupees. The rest of the contents include, there's also a free subscription to BigFlix for streaming movies, and we have the user manual, your warranty card, and last but not the least, a pouch for your tablet. Here's a closer look at the tablet itself. This is the silver variant of the Mi Connect 2G 2.0. Up front we have 7-inch display with a resolution of 480 by 800. And it's a multi-touch display, which means pinch to zoom and other functions are present as well. On the top we have a earpiece, which means the tablet can be used for voice calls too. On the other end we have a 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera for video calls and self-portraits. Coming to the buttons, we have a volume rocker on the top and a power button, and the rest of the buttons are placed on the side, which you can see we have an HDMI port, we have a headphone jack, we have the micro USB port, and we have a standard thin pin charging port. Little above that we have 2G SIM slot, so the tablet is capable of 2G data via a SIM card, and we also have an expandable storage slot via micro SD. The Mi Tablet Connect 2G 2.0 runs on Android 4.1 Jelly Bean and is powered by a 1 GHz Cortex A9 CPU. There's also 1 GB of RAM, which makes the functioning pretty smooth and seamless.
The tablet also has face recognition for locking and unlocking.
HCL bundles in about 4 GB of internal memory, but you can easily expand that via 32 GB micro SD card.
There's even support for all major Indian languages.
The tablet is also capable of rendering 1080p Full HD videos. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi N and Bluetooth. Finally, we have a 3800 mAh lithium polymer battery powering the tablet. HCL has included a bunch of apps that come pre-installed with the tablet. So you have LinkedIn, ClearTrip, Hungama and a bunch of others that are pre-built.
You can browse and download from over 300,000 apps from HCL's One mobile store.
So that's a quick look at the HCL Mi Tablet Connect 2G 2.0. Thanks for watching.